Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Professional Dental Hygiene Kit, Calculus Plaque Remover Set, Stainless Steel Tools-Tarter Scraper Toothpick Dental Scaler and Mouth Mirror Instruments. Hygienist Kit Home Use Tools for Adults. Yes, if you are a human with teeth or you know other humans with teeth, you should buy one or several. Tools are very nice. Was concerned that they wouldn't be sharp enough, but they regrade well, worth the purchase. You might expect it to be super easy, but keep in mind you don't have the suction removing your drool that the dentist office has. It takes a little more time to get the plaque off doing it yourself, but if you're like me and hate seeing those thin white lines on your teeth, this product is perfect for in between seeing your hygienist. Saved me from having to spend $70 at the dentist to get something that was stuck in my tooth that floss wasn't strong enough to get. Dental tools feel like the real deal, and with the right technique on your part do the job of removing plaque and tartar from your teeth. This doesn't replace a visit to the dentist hygienist, but does allow one to keep ahead of plaque buildup and deal with those pesky food items that get stuck between your teeth and seem to resist other methods like floss to get them out. 5-year-old daughter was scared at first to see it, but now she plays with Baba pretending she is the dentist. With 4 different tools included in this kit, you can keep your teeth and gums healthier, which also helps your breath be fresher right at home. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.